Everyone, this is JockFan101 here with a review. This review is on Troublesome truck number 4. Thanks, Thomas. This item wasn't seen in the TV series or the Railway series, but I guess it was made to replace this 600 wagon, which was discontinued in, I don't know what year, but it was discontinued. Alright, we'll compare these two later. Alright, so Troublesome truck number 4 has a CGI face. And this face wasn't seen in the TV series either, but you know, Blackman wants money. It's green, which I sort of like, because green is one of my favorite colors. Now, it is very detailed. Like, now you can see the little bolts that hold in the wood there. Focus. Anyway, there's also some chains that hold this thing up too, because I guess in the episode, what was it called? Thomas and the Flower? Well, or it might have been Flower Power. Oh wait, no, Flower Power. Oh, I'm getting off track. Anyway, so I guess if you unhook these chains, which you can't in this model, it would open up. And same on this side too. Now let's compare the 6-ton wagon and Troublesome truck number 4. The main difference is that this is not a troublesome truck. It doesn't have a face. Well, I guess it's one of the main differences. But the other main difference is that the 6-ton wagon is black. Also, the 6-ton wagon looks like a real wagon. Like, Thomas and Friends is a fantasy world, alright? Well, all this writing right here, it looks like it's, well, based off a real freight car. Well, all the freight cars in the TV show are, but this, like, the writing looks like a real, freight car. So, yeah, that's my review on Troublesome truck number 4, and I guess I could say also the 6-ton wagon as well. So, I want to thank you for watching, and see you later. Roll the bloopers! Oh crap, hope I didn't break anything. Everyone, this is JockFan101 here with my second review. This review is on Troublesome truck number 4 wasn't seen in the Railway series or TV series, but I guess it was made to replace a 6-ton wagon with, dang it, was meant to bring it out.